is that in the sandbox system, there are only certain card numbers that will work. So for convenience, I've put the card numbers here. But if you go to this link in this documentation and go into the Square documentation, it tells you all about the various test card numbers, because some test card numbers are there so that they succeed, and then there are other test card numbers that are there so that they fail. So that lets you check that if someone puts in a bad CVV, it lets you know that you're capturing the error message correctly. And then similarly, with secure card authentication, they use these card numbers and it will come up with the challenge for secure card authentication. So again, you can test your user interface to check it works nicely with these pop-ups and so on.